When it comes to reliability, few automakers are as respected as Toyota. And in 2026, Toyota continues to shine in dependability surveys and owner reviews. From everyday commuters like the Corolla to rugged SUVs like the 4Runner, Toyota models often top reliability rankings thanks to proven engineering and strong long-term durability. In this video, we'll break down the most and least reliable Toyota models in 2026, helping you choose a vehicle that's built to last and keeps maintenance costs low. Today, we will talk about Toyota models ranked by reliability, 2026 edition. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The true cost of owning a BMW. Owning a BMW is a dream for many automotive enthusiasts. The brand's reputation for precision engineering, sporty performance, and luxurious interiors makes it a coveted choice worldwide. But beyond the badge and driving experience lies a reality many owners soon discover. Maintenance costs for BMW vehicles are significantly higher than the industry average. According to industry data, BMW maintenance and repair costs over the first decade of ownership can exceed $16,000 to $17,000, placing the brand well above many mainstream and even luxury competitors. This elevated cost stems from a combination of advanced engineering, high-performance components, and the complexity of German automotive systems. 2. Why BMW maintenance costs are high. Before ranking the models, it's important to understand why BMW maintenance is generally expensive. First, BMWs use high-precision components that require specialized tools and expertise to service properly. Parts such as turbochargers, complex electronics, and adaptive suspension systems are expensive to replace. Second, many BMWs come with advanced driver assistance systems and performance-tuned engines that demand frequent and detailed maintenance to operate reliably. RepairPal data shows that average annual maintenance costs for a BMW can be around $968 per year, which is significantly higher than the average for all vehicles. Other sources suggest that annual maintenance and repair expenses can range from $1,200 to $2,500, depending on model and usage. This higher baseline makes any major repair, even routine issues like brake jobs or timing chain replacements, much more costly compared to non-luxury brands. 3. Most expensive BMW X5 and large SUVs. Among the BMW lineup, larger SUVs like the BMW X5 are notorious for high maintenance costs. These vehicles combine powerful engines with heavy curb weights and complex drivetrain systems, leading to increased wear on components and more expensive repairs. According to maintenance cost breakdowns, the X5 can cost owners over $1,100 per year on average just in maintenance and minor repairs. Part of this expense comes from the SUV's advanced all-wheel drive system, air suspension components, and larger brakes, all of which are more costly to service or replace than those on smaller models. In addition, the X5 often uses turbocharged engines that require precise servicing intervals and premium parts, further driving up ownership costs. 4. High-performance models, M-Series and Sport variants. BMW's performance-oriented M models, such as the BMW M3 and BMW M5, are among the most expensive to maintain across the entire lineup. These vehicles are engineered for track-level performance, with high-revving engines, reinforced transmissions, and specialized cooling systems. While exhilarating to drive, these systems demand more frequent servicing and are more costly when things go wrong. For example, the M3 has been reported to average over $1,100 per year in maintenance and repairs. In addition to regular maintenance, owners often face expensive services like carbon cleaning for direct injection engines, brake system overhauls, and performance tire replacements, items that add up quickly on an enthusiast's budget. 5. Mid-size sedans, 5 Series and 3 Series costs. BMW sedans like the BMW 5 Series and BMW 3 Series are among the most popular models in the used market, but they also carry maintenance costs that are above average. A typical 5 Series, for instance, can cost around $825 per year in maintenance alone, while a 3 Series may average $773 per year, both figures higher than many non-luxury competitors. The reason these models are still costly to maintain is due to their engineering complexity. Turbocharged engines, advanced electronics, and luxury comfort systems, like adaptive cruise control and automatic climate control, all add layers of potential failure points. Even seemingly simple services like oil changes or brake jobs tend to cost more at a BMW dealership compared to mainstream brands. As shared by owners in community discussions, a basic oil change on a BMW can run significantly higher than on brands like Toyota or Ford. 6. Compact and crossover models. X3 and 4 Series smaller BMW models such as the BMW X3 and 4 Series sit in a slightly lower cost tier but still remain expensive relative to non-luxury alternatives. For example, the X3's average annual maintenance cost is reported at around $1,034, and over a 10-year span can exceed $19,000 in total repair and maintenance expenses. These vehicles still carry many of the same expensive systems found in larger BMWs: turbocharged engines, complex electronics, and premium suspension setups. While they may be cheaper than an X5 or M model to maintain, the difference is often incremental rather than dramatic. Owners should still expect higher than average costs for routine services, parts replacements, and diagnostics. 7. Factors that make some BMWs more expensive to maintain. Several key factors influence why some BMW models are shockingly expensive to maintain: engine complexity, performance tuning, advanced electronics, and luxury feature integration. Turbocharged engines, especially in high-output configurations, often require more frequent servicing and higher-grade fluids and parts. Likewise, advanced safety and driver assist systems mean more sensors and modules that can fail or require recalibration. Another factor is that genuine BMW parts and dealership labor rates are priced at a premium. Even basic parts like filters and brake pads cost more than equivalents for non-luxury cars, and labor rates at dealerships tend to be higher than independent shops. This combination means that maintenance costs can quickly escalate, even for routine services. 8. Smart ownership means planning for costs. In summary, while BMWs deliver a thrilling driving experience and premium features, they also come with some of the highest maintenance costs in the automotive world. Models like the X5 and M Series sit at the top of the cost spectrum, often requiring well over $1,000 annually in upkeep. Even more mainstream BMWs like the 3 Series and 5 Series exceed industry averages, and compact models like the X3 still carry significant expenses. For prospective buyers, the key to smart BMW ownership is understanding these costs upfront and budgeting accordingly. Regular preventative maintenance, choosing models with simpler engines, and seeking independent specialists for service can help mitigate some of the shock. But the bottom line remains clear. Owning a BMW is a premium experience, and that premium extends beyond the sticker price into every oil change, brake job, and major service along the way. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.